In this video, we will review the pump clean feature of the WDFC drive. The pump clean feature is used to remove scale and deposits that have accumulated on the impeller of a pump. This operation simply spins the motor forward and back a few times to try to clear some of the clog. This can be done on an input. It can be done based on the drive monitoring the output power or output current, or you can do it anytime you start and stop the motor. This feature can also be used with pumps that are not supposed to run in reverse. The drive has the ability to tell the pump to only do pump clean operation in the forward direction and not do anything in the reverse direction to not damage the pump. Once the pump clean operation is completed, the drive will return to normal operating settings. We will review the pump clean feature. To get there, we will press the mode button and then press the right arrow until we get to AP2 parameter group. Once we are there, we will go down to AP2-15 for the first pump clean parameter. The first pump clean parameter is clean mode 1, where we can select to initiate pump clean either through a digital input, so a button or switch wired to the drive manually pressed to initiate pump clean, or we can have it where the drive will monitor the output power or output current, and depending on the feedback, it will initiate pump clean. The other way we can initiate pump clean is every time the drive is started and stopped, whether that is on every start or only on every stop, or both every time the drive starts and stops. If you have the pump clean and output power or output current, these are the parameters we will use to set when the drive will initiate pump clean. The pump clean curve rate is the nominal current or power the motor will be pulling during normal operation. The curve band is what percent above the curve rate that the power or current will need to get to initiate pump clean. The pump clean curve delay time is how long the drive will need to be above the curve band before it initiates pump clean. Pump clean start delay time is how long after the pump clean has been initiated before the drive actually begins operation of pump clean. Pump clean step delay time is how long the drive will wait between going from forward operation to reverse operation during pump clean. Pump clean acceleration and deceleration time is the time it takes the drive to accelerate and decelerate while performing pump clean. The forward steady time is how long the drive will be running the motor at the forward steady frequency during pump clean. Reverse steady time is the same thing, but for the reverse operation. The number of steps is how many times the drive will repeat the forward and reverse operation of pump clean before it stops. Pump clean in mode is what the drive will do after the pump clean operation, whether that comes to a stop or it begins to run the normal operation. If pump clean is set to initiate every time the drive starts, then the drive will automatically begin running normal operation after pump clean on the startup. And those are the pump clean parameters in the WDFC drive.
Remember, this video is not a replacement for the product manual, and please follow all applicable safety procedures before commencing any work.